Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install Discord software. So let's get started. For this, you require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the address bar, you need to type Discord space download and press enter. You'll get this link, download Discord to talk, play and hang out. Click on it. You'll get this first link, download for Windows. So with this Discord software, you can talk, play, and hang out with the friends around the world over voice, video, or text. It is available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, Android, and consoles. So it has support for majorly all the platforms. So you can download for Windows. Once you click on this button, it is going to download the setup file. After setup file download is complete, you need to click on open. I'll minimize the web browser as we don't need it. This will download the required setup. So Discord installation has completed. Once you have downloaded and installed it, you'll get this page. You can log in with the QR code. You can scan this with the Discord mobile app to log in instantly if you already logged in on your mobile app. Or if you already have an account, you can log in by entering your email ID and password. Or else you can create a fresh account on Discord and use this. To launch the Discord app, you can click on this desktop icon. Or else you can also click on the Windows Start and type Discord app. You will get the icon. Click on open. This will launch the application. So that's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.